guys, Dan Truman here. I work for the Butler Brothers MX team for Jason Thomas. Yeah, Jason really likes the motor. Mitch at Pro Circuit builds our heads and does our motors. You know, with a 450, Jason being a little guy, he likes a lot of torque on the bottom and trying to get a good start. So that's what we got, and he likes it a lot. Yeah, for the exhaust, we use Pro Circuit exhaust, and it's set up for our motor specs. So it's a Supercross setup. When we go to outdoors, we'll have a different setup, and Jason seems to like it a lot. For the gearing for Jason, we kind of go back and forth sometimes, depending on how the track is. Right now we run a 1351. Sometimes we'll go to a 52, and sometimes we'll go to a 50 in the rear. It just depends on how the track is. With our title sponsor, BTO Sports, you know, Vince has been great, and you know, we've been with a lot of the same sponsors for a long time, like Fly, and we have also new sponsors on board like Factory Effects and Leo Vince and things like that. And you know, being BTO is a mail order company, Vince has a large part in the team, and the team's really good this year with just two 450 guys, being Michael Byrne and Jason Thomas. So I think we should have a good year. With the suspension, Factory Connection does our suspension. Ziggy's been great over there. We do a lot of testing. With Jason, we run a little bit different shock. It's a little bit shorter since he's a shorter guy, shorter shaft, and he likes to run his front pretty stiff. And other than that, we make small changes, but for the base setup, we've been the same for the first 4 rounds. On our triple clamps, we run close to a stock offset. Applied does great with for testing wise. They give us quite a few options, and Jason and Michael, they like 2 different setups. So with Jason's setup, he's really close to a stock offset, and they seem to work really good for turning. And Jason likes to get in and out of the turns really good, so he likes to have the bike turn a little bit better rather than be more stable. So that's the ins and outs of Jason's bike. Keep an eye out for number 47.